Today we are making delicious homemade chestnut gnocchi with a rich, creamy Parmigiano Reggiano sauce. This comforting Italian-inspired dish combines chestnut flour, creamy ricotta with freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano, nutmeg, sea salt, and white pepper. The gnocchi are shipped by hand, chilled, cooked until they rise to the surface, and then finished in a luxury Parmigiano cream sauce. A simple but elegant dish that's perfect for a special dinner or a comforting homemade meal. Add the chestnut flour, ricotta, sea salt, white pepper, Parmigiano Reggiano, freshly ground nutmeg to a bowl. Combine all the ingredients until dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured work surface and knead until smooth. Cut the dough into small pieces. Lightly dusted the gnocchi with flour and arrange them on a tray. Refrigerate until ready to cook. Pour the cream into a medium saucepan. Add the grated Parmigiano Reggiano, salt and white pepper. Cook over low-medium heat, stirring occasionally, and reduce for approximately 20 minutes until the sauce becomes creamy and slightly thickened. Bring a large pot of unsalted water to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, add 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. Carefully add the gnocchi and gently stir. Cover the pot and cook until the gnocchi rise to the surface. Once they float, remove them from the water and transfer them directly into the Parmigiano Reggiano cream sauce. Gently stir the gnocchi into the sauce until well coated. Plate immediately, garnish as desired, and serve warm. Bon appetit!